What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Trace. As y'all can see by that title, I am going to be taking you guys into my closet and I'm going to be pulling out some of my favorite heels, whether they're new, whether they're old, I do not care. I'm going to be pulling out as many as I can to show you guys. Now, I cannot pull out all of them because there are so many heels that I have yet to wear, I have yet to show people, because you know, your girl like to shop. So I'm going to be pulling out 10 favorite heels that I just love, that I'm obsessed with, and I'm going to be showing you guys. Now the crazy thing about it is I cannot tell you guys exactly where I got these heels from. I shop everywhere, whether it's a thrift store, whether it's just a regular store, it does not matter. If I see some type of heels that I like, I will want them and I will just get them. I don't care whether they're cheap, whether they're like thrift store way. I do not care whether they're expensive. If I want them, I'm going to get them. So just bear with me. I don't know exactly where I got these heels from, but listen, I'm going to show you guys anyway. Now, I did my toes for this video, so listen, do not try to roast me in the comments because your girl try her best. You know, at this quarantine, everything is shut down. I swear I cannot wait for quarantine to be over so I can go and get my nails and my feet done. Your girl been doing stick-on nails. Look at this. Stick-on nails. Your girl been doing stick-on nails. No, we cannot do stick-on nails no more. I want to go get my nails and my feet done. I want to feel relaxed. Quarantine just got me stressed out. But anyway, I do not want to make this intro too long. I want to just get down right into the video so I can show you guys my best pair of shoes. And if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also make sure to comment down things below that you'll also like to see from me. And you already know, if you have not yet pushed the subscribe button, make sure you do that now. You want to be a part of this family. If y'all want to see another shoe collection, whether it's sneaker collection, because your girl is also a sneakerhead. If you think I got a lot of heels, your girl is a sneakerhead too. Now, if y'all want to see another one, whether it's sneakers or whether it's boots or whether it's slides, I will do that. Let me know that down in the comments and I will jump right on that video because, listen, your girl got a bunch of shoes and a bunch of slides and a bunch of boots and a bunch of sneakers to show too. But let's get down into this video. I hope you guys like it.